Hi guys, and welcome to the third video in my series about how to know when to buy organizing products and what kinds to buy or not to buy. Click the I in the corner if you missed the intro. You want to wait until the 6th step of organizing before you purchase organizing supplies. In this video, I am featuring an organizing product that works for everybody: open stackable baskets. The purpose of an open stackable basket is to keep individual categories of items contained, yet still visible and easy to grab. Open stackable bins and baskets are not meant to be a catch-all of random items. Since they are perfect for categorizing items, there would be no point in having these stacking baskets. Open stackable bins and baskets have unlimited uses. The key to maximizing the best use of them is to simply use each for a specific category. They are ideal for creating shelves in awkward spaces like the areas around piping and cabinets under sinks. They can each contain a category of toiletries like face, body, hair, feminine hygiene, oral care, and cotton products. They are also ideal for vertically subdividing taller shelves in pantries. They can contain individually prepackaged snacks and any food items in smaller containers and packages in general. They are perfect for potatoes, onions, and garlic, and for citrus fruit like oranges, lemons, and limes. Since kids and lids don't mesh, open stackable bins are perfect for teaching kids how to organize and how to learn colors, or to organize categories of toys like cars and trains. Small open stacking bins are perfect for nails, screws, nuts, and bolts in your garage or tool shed. If a conventional undershelf basket does not hook onto your shelves, you can turn these into undershelf baskets with nails or hooks. Because open stackable bins are so versatile and come in so many different sizes and levels of durability, you can't go wrong with these. Rather than deciding if you need these, the question becomes how many you need, or if other types of storage containers will be a better fit for the specific space you are organizing. The answer is to first be sure to get through the initial sorting stages and pare down to just what you need. Then you can use open stacking bins to store items you need easy access to. For items that you don't need to access frequently, you can forego the open stacking bin and go for a closed option like a tote instead. First, as always, don't purchase more bins than you need. Again, you will pare down your items to what you need before you purchase any organizing products. For some affordable options, Big Lots has these open stackable baskets, which are dupes of the Container Store, and they are less than half the price. For another wire stacking basket with a price point between Big Lots and the Container Store, I am loving the new Target exclusive organizing product line, which is called Made by Design. You cannot beat the selection of open stackable bins at the Container Store, however, so you will be more likely to find a solution there to fit your particular spaces. And their prices aren't all bad. These are some of the most affordable options. Walmart and Big Lots has these 3-pack sets of stacking bins for around $5. You can also find smaller, brightly colored versions at the Dollar Tree. If you decide to use them for kids' toys, you will want to actually glue them together to prevent them from falling. For part storage for your tools, Harbor Freight has some of the best prices. I, of course, as usual, in the description box will have a link to my blog including all of these products and even more options. Don't forget to grab your free organizing resources below so that you can know if the use of open stackable bins and baskets will be good solutions for your spaces. I have a lot more organizing products coming up, so be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you can know the moment my next video is up and never miss another organizing video. Happy organizing!